10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left.
Dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars. Swing my heart across the line. In my face is flashing signs. Seek it out and ye shall find. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. And I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing
so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in. Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make 'em go. You're gonna leave 'em rolling down.
When I sing along with you, everything will ever be different forever. If anything will ever be this true love, yeah. The only thing I'll ever ask of you, gotta promise not to stop when I say when she says. Breathe out so I can breathe you in. Hold you in. And now I know you've always been here. How do you get I say? And I wonder when I sing along with you, everything will ever feel this real forever. Everything will ever be this good love, yeah. Only thing I'll ever ask of you, gotta promise not to stop when I say there's a weekend. This time Friday night, I'll be done with my 3rd can of Cold Bud Light, and I'll be crushing it. Yeah, I'll be crushing it. They say don't be mad 'cause you told her that you'd hang some pictures for her. You know, the ones she framed from late last spring of you and her in Florida. You know, they all matter when it shatters into smithereens. She shakes her head and looks at you and says, ain't you good for anything? And you say, every week has a weekend. This time Friday night, if you want a margarita, I'll get tequila and ice, and I'll be crushing it with a cold one in my other hand. Crushing it when I'm finished with my can. I can stop it with my boot, clench it with my fist, smash it on my forehead. Yeah, I got this. I'll be crushing it. Oh, I'll be crushing it. I figured this out in college, walking past them Gothic columns, that I was gonna probably wind up somewhere